Hi, I know everybody has been asking about seasonal items and crafts, and today I want to show you one of my favorite offerings here at Reclaim by You. I'm Jen, and this is my shop, Reclaim by You, where we do crafts with locally reclaimed wood. So, my favorite thing about the holiday season is ornaments. I love these. We do them every year, but this year we managed to make them round. How cute is this? So this is one of our designs. It is a deer head, and then we actually made little snowflake looking dots on it by using the end of a paintbrush and just dotting it. So that's something cool that you can do to jazz yours up. So we have the little reindeer heads. We have Christmas trees. We have poinsettias. Look, Bailey's super excited. He's checking them out. We have holly berries. I think that one's cool. And we have peace and joy. Now, these are just the 5 designs we have out right now. There should be more coming in our release later this month, so you can look forward to that. These guys, you can buy them as finished designs. We'll be selling them in the store, or you can get kits, which are available right now, both in the shop and online, for both the finished ornaments or the kits. They are $15 per ornament, or if you want to do 3, you can get 3 for $40. So that's whether you make them or I make them. So just remember, these are here in our shop. This is our cool new holiday offering, and we'll be around to show you more fun holiday crafts later, okay? Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Bye.